As I was walking up here, I was informed that the vote was 11-1. One juror either didn't understand the facts in this case or was dishonest with themselves when they signed up to become a juror and would never have voted for the death penalty, because you cannot look at the facts of this case. You look at the cruel and inhumane way the 17 victims were treated, that he went back and shot again those that were already down on the ground. I've seen the video as part of the MSD Commission. I saw him walk up to Coach Hickson and shoot him in cold blood as Chris Hickson was lying there on the ground. I will never forget that video. I will never forget what I saw that day. How you can process the evidence that was presented to you. And let me pause for just a moment and thank the state's attorney's office for the grace, the kindness, the professionalism, and the absolutely perfect job they did in prosecuting this case. They did everything right. They presented all the evidence, and we heard time and time again, each of those jurors understood the facts that were presented and the aggravators, yet somehow one of them thought that the mitigators that were presented by the defense, and let me pause for just a moment and reiterate what's been said before. This is a defense team that we understand as families, they have a job to do. But the lack of empathy and humanity shown to our families by this defense team, it's indefensible. And to argue that life in prison without possibility of parole was somehow better because he'd get his inside, I couldn't believe my ears. I can't even imagine a defense attorney making that argument. That shows you how low they will go. And of course, in their concluding arguments, they wandered into the absolute absurd to try to find some rationale to defend. And it worked. It worked with one of the jurors, and we're very disappointed. We came here seeking justice. We were hoping for justice. And unfortunately, we didn't get it today. Let me make a point about the one. I don't want to focus so much just on this one juror. Had one person done their job at the school district, had one person done their job at BSO, I might not be standing here today. We might not even have needed to have this trial because we wouldn't be here today. And it's unfortunate that we have to be here. This is where we are.